Hello! On this video, you are going to learn how to make 5 to 6 digits income per week without working an 8 to 5 job by selling digital products through an automated system. Number 1, you will learn a digital business that can help you earn 5 to 6 digits income per week at home. Number 2, you will discover the reasons why many people try to put up a business and fail. Number 3, you will discover how can you make 5 to 6 digits income per week even if you are sleeping through digital automation. Pakilala pa lang muna ako saglit. Ako nga pala si John Louie Alipala. You can call me John Ali or Louie. Ako yung founder ng The Freedom Project. On February 2024, I enrolled to Course Rebuild Academy or CRA to learn how to make money online selling digital products. After 1 month of implementation, I made over 40,000 pesos in profit at home while I am traveling to Vietnam. I was so inspired by the course and I wanted to share the opportunity to people like me. Thus, The Freedom Project was born. Our mission is to help people discover and monetize their potential, achieve their goals, and live a life of freedom and abundance. Our vision is to help 1,000 like-minded people achieve time and financial freedom through abundance consciousness and digitalization. Now, you are watching this video maybe because you are looking for another source of income that can add up or replace your job. You are already tired and exhausted from day-to-day life. You want to have time and financial freedom and you don't know what to do. You have dreams and goals for you and your family. Is this you? If you said yes, then congratulations kasi nasa tamang opportunity ka. For the next 30 minutes, ito again yung madidiscover mo. Number 1, ano yung opportunity na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo kumita ng extra 5 to 6 digits income per week? Lesson number 2, reasons bakit maraming kagaya mo na sumusubok pero nagfe-fail sa mga side hustle or business. Lesson number 3, paano mo magagawang kumita ng 5 to 6 digits income per week kahit tulog ka gamit yung digital automation. When you learn these 3 lessons, ganito yung possible result na pwede rin mangyari sa'yo. Imagine, dati siyang nurse earning only 16,000 pesos pero with this opportunity, nag 10 times yung business niya in just a month. Sabi niya, digital product selling really changed her life and nakapagpatayo na rin siya ng pet supply business dahil dito. Ito naman is kumita na ng 19,000 pesos in just 3 days. Sabi niya, nag-quit na ako sa job ko kasi mas malaki pera yung kinikita niya sa digital products. This one naman is a single mom. Wow! And ever since na nag-join siya sa community, nag-earn na siya ng 90,000 pesos in just a month. Grabe, di ba? Ngayon, ang good news ko sa'yo, pwede ka rin magsimula kagaya nila sa napakababang capital lamang. Pwede ka magsimula sa napakababang capital kahit wala nito. Hindi mo kailangan magbenta-benta sa labas, hindi mo kailangan magpatayo ng physical store, hindi mo rin kailangan maglabas ng napakalaking kapital para pambayad sa renta, sa bills. Pero reminder lang, hindi ito get rich quick scheme. Kasi everything has to undergo a process. Ngayon, if you stay until the end of this video, may bonus ako para sa'yo. But before that, pakilala lang ako ulit. Ako si John Louie Alipala. You can call me Louie John, 24 years old, digital entrepreneur. Gaya mo, ordinaryong tao lang din ako. Anak ng OFW and nag-working student to finish college. Tandang-tanda ko pa noon yung first job ko nung senior high school ako. Nagtrabaho ako bilang crew at 18 years old. Tapos, ito yung first paycheck ko. Never ko makakalimutan. Kumita ako ng 4,468.60 pesos in 30 days. The second month, nadagdagan naman siya at naging 7,992.51 pesos in 1 month. Noong una, masaya ako kasi student pa lang ako. Pero kumikita na ako agad until I realized na natrap na pala ako sa paulit-ulit na buhay. Trabaho, sweldo, bayad ng bills, utang, and then repeat. Nakakapagod. Then, akala ko maging okay na yung lahat. Not until kinailangan ko mag-aral sa kolehiyo at makipagsapalaran sa Maynila. Nagtrabaho na naman ako noon sa call center kasi yun lang yung alam kong pinakamadaling paraan para kumita ng pera. Sa sobrang antok ko, muntik na ako masunugan sa tinutuluyan kong apartment. Paggising ko, punong-puno na ng usok yung dorm namin. And lahat ng yon ay tiniis ko para lang sa 3,500 pesos na sahod kada kinsenas bilang part-time lang naman ako. Tapos dumating yung pandemic. Pumasok ako sa mga kung ano-anong negosyo na pwedeng pagkakitaan. Online sabungan, nagbenta ng sapatos, forex trading, networking. Hanggang sa kaka-invest ko at kaka-take ng risk, nalubog ako sa 100,000 pesos na utang. At 21 years old ha. And na-depress ako at first time ko mag-seizure gawa ng high blood na ako noon. Muntik na ako mag-give up. Kasi ordinaryong tao lang naman ako. Pero pagod na ako magtiis. Pagod na ako sa paulit-ulit na buhay. Not until I discovered digital marketing. Nagsimula lang ako dati sa phone and then nagkaroon ako ng laptop. Lahat ng yun is because of the mentors I met online na nagturo sa akin ng proven and effective system in earning money using digital marketing. Then fast forward, I met CRA or Course Rebuild Academy na nagturo naman sa akin ng opportunity na ipapakita ko sa iyo right now. And dahil sa digital marketing, nakaahon ako sa utang, napagtapos ko yung sarili ko sa college, at nakagala na rin ako sa first international trip ko. Higit sa lahat, hindi lang ako at marami pang members ng community ang natutulungan ng opportunity na i-share ko sa'yo. Nung ginawa to ng mga members ng aming community, ito yung ilan sa mga naging resulta nila. Sabi niya, without hard selling, he earned 16,000 pesos in just 3 weeks. Sabi naman niya, hindi pa sumasahod sa work pero may pasahod na sa digital product. Imagine earning 9,000 pesos in just 1 day, di ba? Now, I want you to experience this as well. That's why I am creating the Freedom Project. Ang aim ko is to build a community of free people, malaya sa gusto nilang gawin, and malayang kumita ng money anywhere they want. Para mangyari yon, mag-proceed na tayo sa lesson number 1. Ipapakita ko sa iyo ano yung digital business na pwedeng makatulong sa iyo na kumita ng extra 5 to 6 digits income per week sa bahay. As you can see, it is possible through selling digital products. First, ano ba yung digital product? Una, ang digital product, it refers to a product or service existing in a non-physical or in intangible form. Meaning, product ito na hindi mo nahawakan pero pwedeng i-purchase o bilhin ng tao sa'yo, like video tutorials, courses, ebooks, and templates. For example, gusto mo magbenta sa mga babae, age 18 to 35, na nahihirapan magbawas ng belly fat. Ang problema is mahirap para sa kanila magbawas ng belly fat. Ngayon, every problem is an opportunity. What if you can create a structured plan on how to lose women's belly fat through an effective method and offer it as a digital product? Pwede kang gumawa ng ebook and pangalanan mo siya as Belly Fat, a home workout program for women to lose belly fat in 30 days. Pwede siyang ebook na may clickable link na magtuturo sa audience mo how to lose belly fat using your method. Ngayon, ang maganda sa digital product is kaya mo makabenta ng higit pa sa kinikita ng isang nagtatrabaho 8 hours a day. Tingnan mo yung nasa table sa kanan. Sabihin na nating ibebenta mo siya at a price of 999 pesos. Let's say in 1 day, meron kang isang benta. So meron kang 999 pesos in 1 day. Kapag may 3 kang benta, 2,900 pesos. Pag 10 benta, almost 10,000 pesos per day ang meron ka. And so on and so forth. And may I just remind you, isang product pa lang to. Third, ang maganda sa digital product, libo-libo yung taong willing at interesadong bumili online dahil mas madali ito. According to study, nasa 84 million ang social media users sa Pilipinas. And they spend most of their times online finding information and researching on how to do things. Meaning may scarcity and kulang sa kinakailangang information yung mga tao. This is now an opportunity for you to solve their problem using digital product. Ang maganda pa sa opportunity na to, hindi mo kailangan mag-alok kasi tao na mismo yung kusang lalapit sa'yo para bumili. And you can only do this by using the sales funnel system. Basically, all you need to do is to create a short form or long form contents na mag-a-attract ng tao para bumili sa'yo. Pwedeng through FB, IG, or TikTok. And then mapupunta sila, magme-message sila sa messenger mo, tapos mapupunta sila sa sales page mo hanggang sa mapabili mo sila. Ang tawag dito ay sales funnel or sales website. Nung ginawa to ng mga members ng aming community, ito yung naging result nila. Sabi niya, part-time digital seller lang siya and one time lang niya sinet up pero forever na siya nakakapag-generate ng income. Sabi naman niya, kumita siya ng 59,000 pesos from March 11 to 12. 1 day or 2 day lang dahil marunong siya mag-marketing sa FB ads. Gusto mo rin ba ng ganang klaseng result? If yes, then proceed na agad tayo sa lesson number 2. Now that you have an opportunity na makakapagbigay sa iyo ng money, it is another thing to know bakit marami pa rin nalulugi o di nagtatagumpay sa business or sideline na sinisimula nila. And the only answer is wala kasi silang mentor or sistema. Kunyari, nalaman mo to ngayon. Kapag tinigil ko tong video na ito, pusta ako, hindi mo pa rin alam yung gagawin, tama? Leading us to the first reason why nagfe-fail ang marami sa business is because wala silang step-by-step guide. Imagine mo to ha, bago ka sa isang lugar. Hindi ba nakakalito and nakakatakot kapag wala kang guide? Kasi baka magkamali ka or worse, may mangyaring masama sa'yo. Same thing sa business, baka imbes na kumita ka, lalo ka lang mabaon sa utang kagaya ko. Pangalawa, walang proven tsaka effective na sistema. Para mas maintindihan mo, imagine yourself na pupunta ka sa destination na gusto mong puntahan. Yung point A kung nasan ka ngayon, then point B is yung goals mo and pangarap mo. Ngayon, sa tingin mo, alin sa dalawang option yung mas makapagdadala sa'yo sa mas mabilis na paraan papunta sa pangarap mo? Technically, option B. How? Kasi merong proven and effective mechanical system yung kotse kaysa sa tao na naglalakad lang. Tama ba? Ito, another example, yung mga naglalako sa daan versus home entrepreneur. Yung tendero o empleyado, 8 to 10 hours nasa labas ng bahay pero minimum wage lang yung kinikita. Pero yung entrepreneur, less time lang nag-work pero sobra-sobra yung kinikita. And the reason behind is system. Yung vendor or employee, they use their time to work actively. Most of them walang sistema in place. Kapag wala kang system, limited lang yung money mo and less lang yung freedom mo. Unlike sa home entrepreneur, they use their time to build system so that the system will work for them, meaning kapag may system, hindi limited ang money and mas may freedom ka. Third, walang mentor or coach na gumagabay sa'yo step by step. Imagine yourself, hindi ka marunong mag-drive, first time mo, pero walang magtuturo sa'yo. Most likely, maaaksidente ka kasi walang mentor na nag-guide sa'yo. Kaya nga nabuo yung mga driving school, di ba? Ganon din sa business. If you want to be successful, kailangan magpa-mentor ka. And because may nagtuturo at mentor sa ating community, ito yung ilan sa mga naging results nila. Sabi niya, tinapos ko ng one day yung course with comprehension, nag-edit ng funnel, gumawa ng content, and then after an hour, may nag-send agad sa GCash niya. Again, sistema. O eto, waking up to 2,299 pesos, hindi ka pa ba masaya? It is all possible kasi merong nagtuturo. Kung di ka pa masaya sa 2,000 pesos, okay na ba sa iyo yung 14,000 pesos in just one day? Parang magic, di ba? Parang scam din pero hindi. Ang tawag dito is results ng mga members ng aming community because of the system. Okay, na sinasamahan ng proper mentorship. And the last ingredient na kukumpleto is yung lesson number 3 on which you will learn. Paano mo magagawang kumita ng 5 to 6 digits income per week gamit yung digital automation. Before we dive in, compare lang natin saglit yung digital selling at traditional selling. Una, sa traditional selling, kailangan mo umupa ng pwesto or magtayo ng physical store para makabenta. Pangalawa, limitado lamang yung pwedeng bumili sa iyo kapag limitado lang din yung maaari mong kitain. Kailangan mo pa magbayad ng mga utility bills, renta, tubig, wifi, kuryente. Kailangan mo pa problemahin yung inventory tsaka supply. At dapat ay present ka palagi sa store or kailangan mo pa mag-hire ng tao. Pero with digital products, you can do it anywhere, anytime you want kasi you can autopilot your business through a website. Again, with an autopilot business, hindi na kailangan umupa ng pwesto o magpatayo ng physical store para makabenta. Hindi limitado ang pwede bumili sa iyo dahil nakikita ito ng libo-libong tao online. Hindi na rin kailangan magbayad ng utility bills. Hindi mo na rin kailangan problemahan yung stocks or inventory. At hindi na kailangan palaging present ka sa pagbebenta kasi tumatakbo ito 24/7. At para mangyari lahat ng yan, kailangan mo ng tatlong to. People to sell, product to sell, and platform to sell. Para mangyari yon, just simply follow these basic steps. Una, i-identify muna sino ba yung target market mo. Tapos, mag-create ka ng solution or product out of your market's problem. Pumili ka ng platform or website or sales page kung saan mo ipopromote yung product mo. Pwedeng TikTok, Facebook, IG, at mag-create ka ng sales funnel or website kagaya ng ginagawa namin para may automatic na mag-e-explain ng product sa mga customers mo kagaya ng napapanood mo ngayon. And lastly, you just need to keep on promoting and keep on getting sales kasi tuloy-tuloy nang may tao manonood ng video mo at may mag-e-explain para sa iyo gamit yung website na ginagamit mo automatically. Ngayon, may tanong ako sa iyo. Gusto mo rin bang matutunan exactly kung paano ito magagawa? Gusto mo rin bang kumita online even if meron kang work, nagta-travel ka, or busy ka sa ibang bagay? Gusto mo rin ba magkaroon ng peace of mind, time, and financial freedom? If yes ang sagot mo, you only have two options. Option number 1, after watching this video, mag-trial and error ka nang walang gagabay sa'yo. Wala kang magpapagtatanungan at baka mapagastos ka lang na malaki nang hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo. Or option number 2, you will enroll to our community. Ituturo ko sa iyo yung eksaktong ginagawa namin para mas madali at mabilis ka kumita at para hindi mo na magawa yung mga maling nagawa namin before. But before anything else, you will only join us if gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng mga resulta. In just a month, nag-earn siya ng 20,000 pesos lang naman. Kung ayaw mo pa nun, what if sabihin ko sa iyo kaya mo mag-earn ng 28,000 pesos in just one day? Sabi niya, once mo lang to gagawin but you can sell it for as many times as you want. And ang pinakamalupit sa lahat is earning millions in just 5 months. Brand new car, 2-bedroom condo, brand new TV, MacBook Air, non-stop travel, and that is all because of digital products. Ngayon, kung ang pinili mo ay option number 2, ay siguradong nanonood ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. If you enroll in our community, this is what you will get. Benefit number 1, training website. This is worth 29,990 pesos kung saan matututunan mo step by step on how to create a digital product. Benefit number 2, Master Resell Rights or MRR. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mong digital product kasi you can resell our very own course. And on top of it, tuturuan ka pa namin on how to properly market it online. Benefit number 3 is Facebook group community which is worth 4,990 pesos. Hindi lahat ay allowed sa community na ito and only those who are paid and enrolled para ma-ensure natin na magkakaroon ka ng proper guidance at result. Benefit number 4 is weekly group coaching kung saan ituturo namin sa iyo yung effective techniques and strategies na pwede mong ikopyahin para magkaroon ka din ng result and masigurado natin na magkakaroon ka ng visible result using digital products. Benefit number 5, magkakaroon ka rin ng access sa aming Telegram group chat. Dito mo makikita yung iba pang students and members ng community as well as their testimonials selling digital products. And last but not the least, we have a technical support assistant and they are already paid to do their job which is to assist you sa mga queries and concerns mo. And it is valued at 14,990 pesos. Pero lahat ng yan, yung value ng mga yan, hindi mo kailangan bayaran. In total, you will receive a total value of 64,950 pesos. But because you stay until the end, hindi yan yung kailangan mong bayaran to enroll in our program. Hindi rin half of it, hindi rin 16,000. Because you only need to pay 5,490 pesos kapalit ng lahat ng learnings, values, and possible income na pwede mong makuha because of digital products. But this price is only for today and para lang to sa mga taong nagstay up until now. But wait, tandaan mo pa ba yung sinabi ko sa iyo kanina? Gusto mo ba ng extra pang bonus kasi you stay until the end and until now nandito ka pa rin? What if hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng ganyang kalaki? Kasi, only for today, right here, right now, you will only need to pay 2,490 pesos. But wait, para lang ito sa mga taong desidido at mabilis umaksyon dahil sila lang yung mga tipo ng tao na madalas na nagsasucceed sa buhay. Ngayon, if ready ka na to enroll, ito yung mga steps na kailangan mo sundin. Step number 1, click the enroll now button below this video and choose your payment method. Step number 2, choose your payment method and send the enrollment fee of 2,490 pesos. Don't forget to screenshot the receipt or proof of your payment. Step number 3, after sending the payment, click the button below where you will send your receipt or proof of payment. Pero ito ang tanong ko, gusto mo ba? Do you want more? Dahil nandito ka pa rin ngayon, sabi nga ni Maha sa commercial niya, may plus. So if you enroll into this course, you will also have a free access to numerous mentorship programs of known coaches in our country like Coach Ras Huson, Miguel Flores, and some guests like Maxine Megalona. This is all free and you can attend here both online and live. Ngayon, these programs help me and many others achieve success, results, and personal mastery. Kaya if ikaw yung tao who wants to be around successful and like-minded people, like influencers na sina Yani Moya or Alec Cuenca, then this is your chance to tag around us. And not only that, since we want to build a community of successful people, we want you to develop yourself. So on this bonus, this is free. You will learn ano yung secret formula to hack your mind and master yourself para ma-attract mo yung wealth, money, peace, freedom, and dreams na inaasam-asam mo. And wait, there's more. Siyempre gusto ko magkaroon ka ng resulta talaga. And it will only happen if magte-train ka. Kaya i-guide ka namin using effective tips and strategies kung paano ka makakapag-generate ng sales of 5 to 6 digits per month, per week, or even per day. We will teach you the right mindset, how to attract customers, and creating your page or website. And not only that, dahil seryoso kami dito sa Freedom Project, we want you to be part of our community. So we will give you a free membership shirt. But you can only claim your free t-shirt after joining or enrolling to the program. But reminder lang, bawal sumali dito yung mga tamad, batugan na nag-e-expect na yayaman or kikita kaagad sila dahil hindi po ito get rich quick scheme. Bawal sumali kung wala ka ring gadget na magagamit like phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. And bawal yung walang access sa internet. So, in total, you will receive 64,950 pesos in value. And on top of that, meron ka pang bonuses na matatanggap. Unang bonus, free access to top-notch mentorship. Bonus number 2, free personal mastery blueprint. Bonus number 3, free selling starter pack. And bonus number 4, free happiness is the new rich t-shirt, your membership t-shirt. And lahat ng yan makukuha mo lang for only 2,490 pesos one-time payment fee. And dahil umuulan ng bonus, may another bonus pa ako for you. Kasi if you enroll now, you will gain access to free, built-in, and ready-to-use funnels or sales website. Meaning hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mong sales page kasi gawa na namin ito for you. I-edit mo na lang if you want. And I know hindi madaling kumita ng pera. I've been there. And baka isa ka sa mga nagda-doubt if kikita ba talaga dito. Now, my challenge and guarantee for you is you start and implement everything in 30 days. Show us your proof of action and implementation. If you did not earn a single peso, we will return your money back 100%, no questions asked. Okay? Now remember that this is a limited time offer. So click the enroll button now and see you inside. Okay? If desidido ka na, here are your steps to join again. Step number 1, click the enroll now button. Step number 2, choose your payment method and send the enrollment fee of 2,490 pesos. Step number 3, after sending the payment, click the button below on where you will send your receipt or proof of payment. Again, 2,490 pesos only for a limited time offer. Click the enroll now button to get all the bonuses. But before we end, I would just like to remind you one more time of what digital products can do to your life. One of our members already had her brand new car, iPhone 15 Pro Max, travel with family, peace of mind, time and financial freedom. Name it, lahat ng yan possible if you would only give yourself a chance to learn and to free yourself. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you inside. All for your freedom. Bye.